What's so funny? Good morning, plumbers. CB has something up his sleeve. I don't know what it is. But as you know, we do everyday plumbing. We have a good situation here, an iron pipe leak on a 3rd floor ceiling. We're going to try clamp that, and if not, we're going to go mega press. It's a little rust spot that is coming through the ceiling, and we're going to see what we can do to fix it. What do you think, CB? What's your input today that you keep laughing at me? I got something on my face or something? Anyway, we're at the job. We're going to call you when we get upstairs and get set up. We're going to call. I'm going to call you. I'm delirious. I surfed all morning. Bye. God help me. Okay. Me and CB are currently in an attic. Here's our culprit. We have an old 1 1/4 iron pipeline that is ridden with rust from a little pinhole. It isn't really leaking that bad, but it's above the ceiling and there goes a drip. So we're going to fix this. I'm not sure how yet. Alright, Chuck. We're going to shut the water off. He just shut the water off downstairs. We're going to give this a half attempt of maybe using the clampette, which I don't think we're going to use because I don't think I can get this that clean. So let's see what we do. Let's see what we can do. I gotta find the hole, which I think is on top. Yeah, I mean CB. There it is, right there, Chuck. The hole's right on top.
That's it.
No, that's gonna be a clampette job, though.
We can put the clamp upside down.
The clamp?
Yeah.
It's going to go around. You see how big the rubber is on that thing? Pretty monstrous. So. Wow. I'm liking this, unless there's another spot on the bottom. Here's the hole right here. That is it. Let's go. Chucky, I like it. Chuck, can I see a sandpaper, please? See who's calling me. Who? Tape. Does it say? Huh? Alright. San Diego's calling me. Maybe it's Drew Brees. He wants to go back. What happened? Alright, Chucky. I'm liking this. As you see, we got all kinds of action. I'm not even going to disturb this dresser that someone fixed or did something already. We're going to throw a clampette right on this. If I sawzall some stuff here, it'll just create a mess that maybe we'll get a leak in a spot we can't reach. So we're choosing clampette over sawzall, and you see the situation we're in here. We don't want to disturb the water lines with the sawzall action, so, and I love the sawzall, but this is going to be the way we're going to go here. Alright. And this is actually in an attic above living room, so I'm gonna test it. We sanded it down. Alrighty. There it is. Alright, Chuck B. He wants to turn the water on now. Now when you turn that water on, real slow. I mean real slow, dog. These are all old iron pipelines, okay? I'm a little sweaty right now. That was a drip of sweat. That's not even a leak. Oh, the halogen. How dumb are them ones? Alright, Chucky baby, it's happening, cat. Okay. See, babe? Let's turn the water on real slow. Where we're at, we're behind this corner here. Evidently, this used to be an old flushometer toilet, maybe. And to have an 1.25 inch galvanized water line it's pretty big for a regular house, but as you see, this is an old timer. An old classic. We love classics. All right. Here comes the water. Was that slow? Good water pressure because it's already here and it's looking good. I want to thank everybody for subscribing, and you know the mission, man. We're on this for a while. We have 2 young bucks coming up through the system, and we're going to document this whole journey. That's the plan in the Barons plumbing world. So I appreciate you guys subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see it on all the jobs that I film, and I do film most of them. Yes, sir. What?
Did you bang on the pipes?
No, I didn't.
Oh. I shut the water back off so bad.
No, I tell you what, the water came up pretty good. Like the pressure must be excellent. Make sure you turn it on slow. All right, big boy. He heard the phantom knock. That's good though. Camera running. You got CB moving around today. He's moving around a little bit. What I'm going to do here, I am going to put a dry pan, and I'll come back in like a week. I don't know, 3 or 4 days to make sure it didn't drip. CB got the water back on. Alright. You gotta love some old plumbing. Little lead line from the vanity. Alright. There's the back of the cast iron tub in the green room, and the water's on right now, so I'm gonna go in there and shut that off. Okay. Hey, Chuck.
Yeah,
You can shut that kitchen off.
I did.
Okay, awesome. I hear something bleeding. What is that?
Toilet.
That's running like that?
Oh,
Huh?
it looks really old.
Make sure it's okay. Make sure it's not.
It was just flushing.
Look, open the lid up. Is it a flushometer? Oh, come take a look. That doesn't sound right. Right now we're behind the bathroom. Going to double check our clampette. Okay, I'm going to dry this pan out. So I'm going to put this pan back in here, nice and dry, CB. That's the plan. Nothing's leaking right now, but I'm going to make sure. I'll come back in a day or so.
Did she find this?
Came through the ceiling. Let's give it our leak test. Nothing doing. I like it, Charles. So again, I didn't want to Sawzall because God forbid a leak under that tub happens. That would be devastating. Alright, CB, what's our call signal? We just put the clampette on. Oh, today's graduation day. What do you got for us?
That's all you see.
No, CB. No. We just closed out the clampette. Give it to me.
That's all you see.
No, CB, no. Give it to me, CB. You're not cooperating. And there goes another satisfied customer.